Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to install steel doors. The method of installing steel doors is very simple. It usually takes only 10 minutes to complete the installation. So let's get started. If the door panels can be removed, take them off. Then straighten the door frame with a gridienter. Insert wooden blocks into the gaps. Make sure the door frame is perpendicular to the floor. Just like this. Insert wood blocks on either side to secure the door frame. Keep the gridienter open during the process. Make sure the door frame is perpendicular to the floor. After confirming that everything is correct, continue to install. When installing security doors, choose a long drill bit. Make the hole as deep as possible. Then put in the anchoring. Screw in all the hinge holes. Keep the gridienter open during the process. Then install the door panels. Close the door. Check that all door cracks are the same size. And then go to this side of the door. Check that the gaps above and below are the same size. After confirming that everything is correct, continue to install. Start with an anchoring on the top side. Close the door and check that the gaps are the same size. Continue with the rest of the screws. Put the lid on. Then check the smoothness of the doors opening and closing. Check the crack again. Now we have finished installing the door. The next step is to install the door handle. This step is very simple. All you need to do is put a few screws on the door handle. If you want more information, please feel free to contact us.